While we have all heard about the rising mortgage rates this year, what does that actually look like for your mortgage and your monthly payments? We're here today to break that down for you. Welcome to the Fairway Mid-Atlantic YouTube channel. My name is Sarah Rubin and I'm our licensed regional marketing director. If you're new here, I'd absolutely love if you'd hit that subscribe button right down below so you never miss another video from us. Our goal is to give you the tools you need to start your journey towards home ownership feeling empowered and educated. We post new videos here every other Friday, all about the home buying process, real estate, and so much more. Let me start by saying we understand the nerves and potential anxiety around shopping for a home in a rising interest rate environment. Over the past 2 years, interest rates, as you likely know, have been historically low. But why? The answer is due to economic uncertainty driven by COVID-19. When talking about rates today, it's important to look at the rate landscape over a far longer period of time and understand that the rates we're seeing today are still incredibly low when you're talking about a historic perspective. And I don't mean hundreds of years, I mean 10 to 15 years. Well, yes, rates have absolutely been on the rise over the last 90 days. They are expected to settle down and level out. That does not mean that they're going to drop necessarily, but it does mean that we are expecting things to steady out and remain relatively level versus continuing to increase day over day or week over week. When you think about the cost of waiting, it's incredibly important to remind yourself that making the decision to purchase a home should never be based strictly on what interest rates are doing, but rather about being able to afford a home in terms of monthly payments. You can head to our latest housing market update for a breakdown of today's market and the cost of waiting. Hint, it could be the difference of a couple $100s monthly. Rates are cyclical, and while they have been rising as of late, as mentioned above, they are still low from a historic perspective. In the 2010s, the average rate hovered right around 4.09%, and in the 2000s, that average was 6.29%. At some point in the future, and no, I can't tell you exactly when, we will likely see lower interest rates that will give homeowners the ability to refinance into a lower rate and therefore a lower payment. When starting the home buying process, it's important to consider several lenders and loan programs to find the best solution for you. We never want you to feel like you're being forced into one thing or another. You must feel comfortable with your decisions. Again, the most important thing is to ensure no matter what solution you opt for, that you are able to afford the home you are buying. There is no benefit in deciding to become cash poor. There is no benefit in deciding to become house poor. No two situations are the same, and there are tons of loan products and programs designed to help you reach home ownership, no matter your really specific situation. From an investment standpoint, now is a great time to buy. Like we mentioned earlier, rates are historically low and home appreciation is still at an all-time high. While the rate of inflation may slow, your home will still appreciate in value. Experts are predicting the rate of appreciation to slow to about 4 to 5% this year, compared to 20% last year. That should actually make you feel more confident in your decision to buy, as that is a far more sustainable rate of appreciation, making home ownership still the best investment around. If you are ready to start the home buying process or want to learn more about mortgage rates, what they look like today, or really how this impacts you, head to our website at fairwaymidatlantic.com and contact one of our loan officers. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope this video gave you just a little bit more information around what mortgage interest rates are doing today, why they're doing it, and really what to expect moving forward. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to talking.